Sunday, June 5th?
6th?
6th, okay. I don't have a watch. I don't care what time or day it is. Anyway, what we're doing is we're getting the van washed. We're ready to go to Black Hawk Park in Wisconsin. And so we're going to get this thing all spiffed up. We did the inside yesterday, or I should say Dina did the inside yesterday. Anyway, so today I had put a Lazy T seal up on the cove all the way to the front quarter panel on the front of the roof, all the way to the rear quarter panel on the back of the unit. And what we're going to do today is we just got done washing it. That's why you see raindrops all over it. So I'm washing the awning right now with the same solution. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flood the roof with water and the awning, and we're going to see if there's any rivers coming down when that slide door is open. And to prove that point, I'm going to open the door.
Sorry. So right. I've kind of got it so you can see the black strip up there. That's the Lazy T that he's talking about.
All right, so I'm going to start flooding this, and the whole idea of this is that on rainy days, as the wind's not very much, we want the awning out, we want that slide door open, we want the fresh air to come in, but I don't want the rain running down that screen. So here we go. This is test number 1 on Lazy T seal. Now I'm shooting it right on top of the awning up here and on the roof. And if you look over here, Sweet and Sassy, you can see that it's running off of the deal. Now step back and let them see what I'm spraying on. Okay. So I'm spraying right at the awning, the top of the awning, so it's running over both sides, dripping down on the inside or the middle side of the van. I'm going to come down a little farther. So look at this. We have solved the problem.
No rain on the screen.
No drips, no rivers, nothing coming down. Come back underneath here. Right now I'm on bare roof right here, and I'm putting more water up over the awning. You can see it up there running down like rain. And no water coming in. All right, so now I'm back at the back towards the door. Spraying on the air conditioner.
230.
Spraying on the air conditioner. The whole 9 yards. We have no rivers coming down on the right side. And that's, if you look at my spray up here, that's a lot of water coming down on the roof up there. Anyway, I'm going to shut this off. I look a mess, but that's what happens when you wash a unit. Anyway, I got to finish. Okay, the wife says it's time to see you on the next video.